Well, we at our favorite dry camping spot, Cracker Barrel, in Rocky Top, Tennessee. It is Saturday, June 18, 2022. We are on our way to Middlebury, Indiana, to the factory to get our free called AIR annual inspection report. Take care of whatever they find as well as what we have on our punch list on warranty. They're going to keep it for probably 10 days. We're going to take our Jeep and go on up to Michigan and then spend about 4 or 5 days in the Upper Peninsula and wherever Kathy's got mapped out, Mackinac Island, who knows. And then we're going to stop by Baraboo, Wisconsin and see our best friends, our good friends, Brenda and Ron Schultz. So we're getting ready. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I think they open at 6, I think. Looks like there's cars there already. This is our third time to stay here at Rocky Top. When we come through here, we make it a point because we like this Cracker Barrel. Actually, our waitress last night was going to Arlington, South Carolina today to visit her mother. She's from there, which is my stomping grounds. Arlington is about 15 miles from Hampton. The home place of the famous Murdoch murders and so forth. And good chatting with her last night because she knew a lot of the same people I knew from that area. Didn't know who I was though. Well, one little mishap last night. We got here and it was hot, and we decided we'd try to open all our windows. Our new windows that RV1 in Charleston installed, they all seemed to open okay, except they were having problems with the kitchen window, which we've had a problem with for the last almost 2 years since we bought this Cornerstone brand new. And so Kathy wanted it open, so I opened it too far and came off the rails and wouldn't go back. So we had this opening. As you can see, my fancy repair job cardboard to cover it up, the hole, until we get to the factory. Hopefully they're going to put a new window in. RV1 said they had approved the 3rd window replacement on warranty, so we'll see if the factory is going to install it. Hopefully they will. All right. But when I slid this thing back, it came off the rails and will not go back in. My fancy repair job. I think that'll hold for the next 500 miles till we get to Middlebury. I probably should put some duct tape on the outside, but it looks like it's in there pretty good. I think I'm just going to leave it just like it is. Make it to Indiana. Our leftovers from last night. Cracker Barrel, biscuits, cornbread. All right. Ready for breakfast, babe? Well, we were wrong. The internet says 6, but they don't open until 7, so we had time to hook up the car and get Kathy hungry again. Yeah, we're first ones here. Still not letting us in. Southern fried chicken. Yeah, 2 minutes till and they still won't let us in. Can't believe, last time we were here there was a line here, wasn't there? Of course that was COVID, but they still didn't make you mess around. It's still locked, 1 minute till. Look at there. All right, everybody else can come on in now on this long line.
There's a big line.
I'm surprised. Go ahead.
Yeah.
I might just have old timers. What do you think?
Old timers?
Yeah. Man, it's a full restaurant here. This first time we've been here, the very first one.
Miss Jackie will be right with you.
Grandma's sampler. I don't know if I'm gonna get the regular stuff here. Well,
3
see mine.
eggs, hash browns, ham, biscuits,
And gravy.
grits, and apples.
Apples.
My goodness.
And you got healthy.
Fruit.
I can't even see yours.
Let's point it up. There we go.
I don't know.
Pineapple, strawberry, and blueberry.
Okay, but you might get something later. That was fast service. Okay, time to eat. Okay, we're about 100 miles from Middlebury on Highway 30 West. There's my fancy cardboard's holding up that I got out of Cracker Barrel to fix the window. And letting Kathy drive. Look at these windmills. Right by the rest area. All over the place. Man. I don't think we're in Indiana yet. Getting close though. Yeah, this rest area is full of trucks, so we parked in the back. Looks like another truck's parking behind us on the shoulder, but it looks like they've got the shoulder set up for parking anyway. It's a little small rest area. Got the birds are chirping out here. There he goes. I don't know what kind of bird that was. Sing bird. It's like a robin. The winds are blowing these windmills. Get over here by the fence and get a better picture of them. See the motorhome through the forest over there. Man, I drove through all the interstates and cities, traffic, and finally Kathy took over. I'm still on the interstate, but then it got real nice out here in the country. I think our last couple hours is going to be real fun. Look at this. What are they planting there? Soybeans? But look at these. Windmills. Is this a sign of the future? Man, look at them everywhere. I don't know if I can zoom in over there or not. Man, way over there too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh man, they're way over there too. There must be 25 or 30 or more here. I bet there's more than that here. Oh well, messing up our pretty landscape. Well, we're getting to, should be getting to Entegra in Middlebury, Indiana a day early, so it'll give us all day tomorrow to pack up for our 2-week trip in the Jeep. We'll be leaving at 6:30 Monday morning. Leave the motorhome there, checking it in, and I don't know where we're going. Somewhere in Michigan for a few days, and then we're heading over to Baraboo, Wisconsin for 3 or 4 days. Fancy rest area here. I think this is still Ohio, but I don't know. I haven't seen us cross into Indiana yet. Well, let's get a little storyboard here. 152 wind turbines. Enough power to power 76,000 in Ohio. Yeah, we're still in Ohio. How about that? I thought there was a bunch out there. I could see about 25 or 30, but I didn't know there was 152 out there. But they are. Okay, all you environmentalists, tree hugging, woke people, sign of the future. doing away with all these fossil fuels and going to wind and electric energy. And there's a rest area across for 30 east. We're on 30 west, I think. Takes you all the way to South Bend. Road I used to go from South Bend back to South Carolina when I was living in South Bend. I rode my motorcycle non-stop one time from South Bend back to Hampton, South Carolina. Long trip, about 850 miles non-stop. Oh well, let me get my co-pilot ready to go. There's some scooters. Hopefully on the way back after this trip to the factory, we can take an easier route home, not have to fight the traffic in big cities. Just take it easy. You feel up to it? Good. Okay, we're about 50 miles from our destination at the Entegra factory on Highway US 33, which is the historic Lincoln Highway, also known as Goshen Road. And Catherine's got this thing under control. Heading towards the Elkhart, but we will turn on Highway 6 in about 30 miles. Get all these flags out here or not. Man, every one of this on the cemetery has a flag on it. Well, you know you're in Amish country. Yeah, they all going to church. One in front of us too, babe. Don't run over them. Pretty Amish country. That's a 1 horsepower vehicle ahead of us.
It is. Should be too.
Get up close and hit that air horn, baby.
No, I would never
No.
do that. Look at these pretty horses over here.
Yeah. Man, look at that.
Should I go around him? Oh, I
If you
hate
can. Go ahead.
to. Oh, no. Okay, I'm not going to now. I don't want
Okay.
to rev by.
He's a trucking on, ain't he? Oh well. Man, they're everywhere. Look at that. Oh, babe.
What?
He is a prancing.
Oh, I thought you were saying something.
And this is Amish
The other way, but aren't they?
Amish country. Nobody's coming the other way, I don't think. Look at that. Even got a license tag on that one. Indiana license tag. Can't see them in there though. We're 2 miles away from the factory and it's out in the middle of the sticks. In the Amish country. Yeah,
Look at Google Maps. It doesn't have us doing like a U-turn or anything.
no, it just got turned left in less than a half mile. And Entegra sent an email saying absolutely no videos, audios, or any kind of recording. Look at this.
Yeah.
Horse and buggy coming out right here. We're half mile from, that's Amish. Oh my goodness. Coming up here pretty close. There it is. Look at that. All of a sudden you arrive at
wow.
Entegra. Look at them lined up there.
I think we're coming in from the other way.
Look up here, bicycle riders holding us up. We're 2/10 of a mile up there. Next road to the left, babe.
Okay.
And we're behind bicycle riders. It's four Amish on bicycles. 2/10 of a mile on up here where the sign is, I think. You may as well just hang it.
Oh, just stay here?
Probably so. That's Miller
Oh, they'll
Stewart.
move over.
That's a funeral home there. We got, it's the next
In
sign.
800 feet, turn left onto Bontrager Drive.
I thought they'd move over.
No, they own the road, babe. Look at the tandem bicycle with them. I think it's this next road right here.
Right here?
Yep, right here, yeah.
Take the next left onto
right there. There you go, Bontrager. You good. Okay, customer service, RB.
In 800 feet, you will
Jayco.
arrive at your destination.
Jayco Service Center.
No, it said something about a blue something for the dump station. Oh, you didn't look at my iPad.
Yeah, exit only there.
Uh-oh. I think are we coming in the opposite direction?
Probably. Alright. There's all the service
I think
bays.
it's up here then to the left because it was on
In
the
a quarter
right.
mile, make a U-turn if possible.
I see all the big Integras up there on the left.
We're coming in the opposite way than we're supposed to, meaning
You've
we're gonna be
arrived.
backwards.
It
trying
says
to-
I've arrived at 104
Did you hear
Bontrager.
me?
I hear you, babe.
See, we're facing the wrong way now.
Alright, Entegra. Yeah, I think over here on the left all these motorhomes are parked, eh?
And then there should be more.
Plant, is there
So
a
where
gate?
am I going in? Up there and then back around?
Maybe let's go
There's
see.
supposed to be more parking than this.
Motor coach parking straight ahead, it says welcome home. Entegra coach. Hard to see through here. And there are
Now that
In
looks
This
like
is hookups.
Make a U-turn if
that looks
possible.
like some too, right?
yeah, they're on both sides.
So where do you want me to go?
I don't care.
Is that the dump station where those people are?
I think so.
Well, you need to
Okay, we are at Entegra. We're not supposed to be taking any videos of their property, which we're not. But when we left Rocky Top, Tennessee, I didn't notice any wheel issues with oil. But when we got here, this right drive axle wheel is got oil splatters all around. And just documenting this, you can see the puddle of the oil underneath it there. Dirty looking oil, and it's sprayed all around on the inside of the wheel. So hopefully they'll take care of it here. I'm not driving home with that until it's fixed. Hopefully it's something simple. We had the problem with the left drive axle and had to take it to Rush's in Augusta to have it fixed last year before we went on our cross-country trip, and they replaced the seal under warranty. This should still be under warranty, but hopefully this isn't going to put a hiccup in our travel plans, because I'm not going home back to South Carolina until this issue is addressed one way or the other. Maybe it's just simple tightening up some bolts, take the hubcap off and tighten up the reservoir bolts, or it might be take the wheel off and replace that seal, but that's not going to be our problem, but it might be our problem if we have to take it to Spartan to get it fixed. All right. Well, not too often do you get to see two Cornerstones identical. Look at this. This is ours. We're at the factory. Our Cornerstone, and it's twin. How about that? Here for service.